for the materials. So we have 3 materials, right? First is the pizza tray. Next is the pizza screen. And next is the sport. Okay? That's our 3 materials. Okay, next. For the ingredients. Okay? Can you check if you have your pizza dough?
Yes.
Yes, you have your pizza dough. Next, do you have your pizza sauce? Yes, the red one. Okay, next, do you have your cheese? Yes, you have your cheese. Okay, next, do you have your pineapple?
Yes.
How about ham? Do you have your ham? Yes, and you have your flour. Okay. So I guess all is complete now. Okay. So at your Rose, we'll start to make a pizza. Okay, now, can you remove your pizza screen to your pizza tray? Yan.
Well.
Then next, just put it here. Okay, then next, get your flour.
Get my flour.
Okay, flour. Flour. Yes. Flour. Okay, get your flour. Then put a ample amount of flour to your pizza tray. Okay? So no need to use your hand gloves kasi di ba nag-wash kayo ng hands nyo? Okay. Sige po, look at Ate Rose. Ate Rose will demo. Ayan. Put a little amount of flour.
The other side. Mix around.
Then next, get your pizza dough. Okay? Okay, don't do anything, ha? Just follow the instruction. For the dough, just put the dough in your pizza tray. Then wait for the next instruction coming from Ate Rose. Can I help you? Don't do anything, ha?
Don't do anything
Don't do
yet.
anything yet. Just put the pizza dough in your pizza tray. Okay. Then next, get a little amount of flour, then sprinkle to your pizza dough. Just sprinkle.
No, sprinkle more.
Okay. Ayan. So it won't stick on your tray or hands. Ayan. Okay, then next. Next step. Just flatten your pizza dough. Don't do anything. Just flatten. Look at your Rose. Flatten. Just flatten your dough. Like that. Very good.
I'm making a big one.
Yeah.
You're doing it well.
Oh. There. Nice.
Push the middle one.
Yes. Flatten. Push down. Very good. Good job.
I-push mo pa yung mga thick parts.
Yes. Nice. Just flatten only. Don't do anything. Just flatten. Okay, just flatten everyone.
Yeah, spread it, spread.
There, just flatten.
Well, Azzy, good job.
Yan. Sige po, flat niya lang po siya. Don't do anything para hindi ma-stress yung dough natin.
Okay, finish.
Yan. Okay? Now, after that, Any rows after flatten? Stretch your dough. Tayo
Muna, watch
mag-stretch
mo
ang
si ate.
rows.
Stretch. Oh, stretch.
Watch mo,
Look
watch
at,
mo
look
muna.
at ate.
Yan.
There.
Parang
You
ganun
can stretch like that. There.
Oh.
Oh, di na careful lang ha. Like this lang.
Bring it
oh.
up, bring it
Soft
up.
lang. You can
Soft lang,
stretch.
soft. Yan. Ganun.
Yan.
Yan.
Or look like yourself.
You know, watch mo si ate. Watch mo. Yan. Soft lang na ano. Pull. Pull. Ganun mo ate. Oh.
Ayan. Para medyo lumaki yung pizza nyo.
Sige, ganun mo.
Okay.
Pull mo ng ganun.
There. Yan. Like this. Go. Go. Like this. You can stretch. Like that. Stretch. Go.
Do it, Ate. Do it. Ganun, ganun mo. Bring it up. Bring it up. Yan.
Like that.
Good job. Good job. Stretch it like that. Stretch. Stretch.
Nice.
This is so big. How did you put it there?
So I have my own copy. Kasi medyo makapal pa siya. Yan. Sige, stretch it. Stretch it. So it gets bigger. Stretch mo pa. Ganun. Yan. Stretch mo. Stretch. Stretch. Yan.
Okay, ayan. So, na-stretch na ba? Okay. So, if na-stretch na siya, okay na yan. Ayan. Now, after that,
Watch mo si
get
ate.
your pizza screen. Yan, you need to form your dough there sa pizza screen niyo po. Okay, like this.
Watch mo muna.
Oh, look at that. So you need to put it this one, then stretch a little, like that, then
Do it. Dapat hanggang dun siya sa last part. Stretch mo lang.
stretch mo, ganun. Ayan.
Stretch mo to. Stretch mo yan. Stretch mo pa lang.
Form a circular. Kailangan fit mo siya doon. Ayan, very good. Woo, let's do it.
Stretch it.
Okay na po? Ay, pwede pa to. Stretch mo to dulo.
I think it's too big. Oh no. You wet my pizza.
Hindi na mag-flat.
Why is not going down? Maybe you don't like.
Okay, so done na po. May check. Gusto mo yung medyo malaki? You want the big pizza? na po yan. And then, after that, okay na yung mga pizza dough natin. Then, get your sport, kids. Then, look at Ate Rose.
What?
You need to cook it.
Ay,
Yan.
poke muna.
Kailangan mo siyang i-lock it or cook. Yan, ganyan.
Strong anak.
So that the air pocket of the pizza dough will reduce. Para kapag niluto siya, hindi siya lolobo. Yan. Okay.
This is easy. Jumping, 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 jumping.
Smile ka nga dito, ate.
Okay, then next, after that, get your pizza sauce. Okay, get your pizza sauce. Okay, look at Ate Rose, everyone. Get your pizza sauce, then put your pizza sauce to the center. Yan.
Use your score. Sa center muna, sa center. Everything, everything.
Okay, so put everything. Put your pizza sauce to the center. Then,
Ay,
ayan. So put, then, spread your pizza sauce to a circular motion. To a home-style pizza, you need to spread the pizza sauce to a circular.
After that, we
For the ingredients naman, at least one ingredients. Ayan. Wait lang, kuya ha. Okay. Yan to si kuya. Kanina pa siya nakataas ng kamay. Ano po? Ano pa po? Ham is correct.